Stop! Wait a minute.
Oh, me? What happened?
Don't put that power bank in your suitcase. It's dangerous.
Dangerous? My mobile battery? Why? Wait! A $100 extra fee? Oh my gosh! Dad, are you okay?
Welcome to DailyEnglishFlow.
Oh, hi there. Now we are at the airport and head to Japan. But airport rules are so confusing, aren't they? Join me and let's master airport rules and the reason why in English together.
Look at me! I'm an airplane!
Jack, stop! Stay close.
Eva, where is check-in? I have too many bags. Help!
Okay, I'll try. Excuse me, where is the Fluentia Airlines check-in?
You're in the right place. Terminal 2. Just follow the departure signs.
Departures? What's that? A monster?
Departures means leaving. Arrivals means coming in. Okay?
Got it. Departures is leaving. We want departures.
Right. Look for counters 10 to 12. The airline signs are above them.
Counters 10 to 12. Signs above them. Got it. Thank you. Dad, this way. Follow the departures signs.
Thanks, Eva. Let's go.
Good morning. Passports and tickets, please.
Here you are. 4 passports.
Are you checking any bags today?
Checking bags? You mean these big suitcases?
Yes. Do you have luggage for the cargo hold or just carry-on?
Oh, these big suitcases can go in the cargo hold.
Okay. Put them on the scale, please.
Look! I'm 50 kilograms with the bag!
Jack, get off! The scale is only for luggage. We are so sorry about that. He's just excited.
No worries. Safety and fun go together. But as your sister said, the scale is for luggage only. Okay, young man?
Oops, sorry.
Phew! This one is very heavy.
Okay, let's see. 22 kilograms. Perfect. Our limit for free checked bags is 23 kilograms. Over 23 kilograms? That's an extra fee of $100 or more.
$100 or more? That's a lot.
Let's be careful with the weight. Safety and money first.
Also, any power banks in these checked bags?
Power banks? You mean my mobile battery? Yes, I have one. Is it okay here?
No, they must be in your carry-on, not in checked bags.
Oh? Why is that?
Because they can catch fire. It's very dangerous in the cargo hold.
Exactly. In the cabin, we can immediately see if there's smoke.
I see. No fire in the cargo hold. I'll keep it in my small bag.
Would you like printed boarding passes or mobile ones?
Printed, please. It's easier for my family.
Certainly. Here are your boarding passes. Your gate is 12. You have seats 23A, 23B, 24A, and 24B. The A seats are window seats.
Window seats! Jack, we can see the clouds.
Enjoy your flight.
Next, please. Put your bags in the bins.
Bins? These gray boxes?
Yes. And Eva, take out your laptop from your bag. We need to separate them.
Separate them? Why?
Because the X-ray machine cannot see through big electronics clearly. If they are in the bag, they block the other things.
Okay. Phone and charger too?
No, they are fine in the bag. Only large electronics.
Got it. Laptop and tablet. Can I stack them?
No, don't stack them. The image becomes too dark. Keep them flat. Now, some airports use 3D scanners, so you don't have to take anything out there, but not here. We must take them out.
I see. Big electronics in the bin. Keep them flat and no stacking.
Any liquids in your carry-on?
Carry-on? You mean my small bag, right?
Exactly. Liquids must be 100 milliliters or less.
Oh, I have a big water bottle. I'll drink it now. But why only 100 milliliters? That's tiny.
This is also for safety, Emma. To prevent liquid bombs.
Liquid bombs? Liquids can be dangerous?
Yes. In the past, people tried to make bombs with liquids. Exactly. 100 milliliters is too small to be dangerous. Safety first. Now jacket and shoes off, please. Walk through the scanner.
Okay, I'm safe. Oh no, Dad! Are you okay?
I don't understand. Stop, please. Any metal in your pockets? Oops, my coins. Sorry. No problem. Put them in the bin. Now, collect your belongings.
Belongings. My bag, shoes, and laptop. Got it.
Next, please. Passports and boarding passes, please.
Here they are, for all 4 of us.
Thank you. Please look at the camera.
Jack, look at the camera and stay still.
Like this?
Perfect. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Gate 12. Gate 12. Ah, here it is. Right here.
Attention, please. Boarding for flight FA-101 to Tokyo Haneda will now begin.
It's starting. Let's go.
Wait, Jack. We have to wait for our zone. Now boarding Zone 1 and Zone 2. We are Zone 3. We are next.
Now boarding Zone 3. Please have your boarding passes ready.
That's us. Zone 3.
Okay, family, let's go.
Eva's family survived the airport. They learned many rules for safety. Do you remember? Power banks go in the carry-on. Liquids in your carry-on must be 100 milliliters or less. And separate your big electronics. No stacking.
We are boarding at last. Next time, we finally take off for Japan. See you there. Bye for now.